spin, and jump into spring with new puzzles, crafts, games, and activities in our Easter collection. Create your own Easter basket or play Chick-Tac-Toe. Kids and grown-ups alike love our Seek and Find Hidden Pictures puzzles. But who's faster? And what will they find first? These iconic puzzles and everything in our Easter collection help kids build attention to detail and let them flex their creative muscles. Not sure where to start? Our gift sets are handpicked and curated for each age. Always a perfect fit and ready to give. Fill their baskets with sweet surprises from Highlights this year and give them the gift of imagination and discovery. Both last longer than a chocolate bunny.